KD30 Smart Door Lock offers a versatile 5-in-1 keyless entry system, allowing access via passcode, physical key, app, and remote control. Its AI-powered fingerprint recognition ensures quick unlocking in zero point 0.3 seconds with high accuracy, supporting up to 50 fingerprints and passwords. The lock provides real-time monitoring and auto-lock features, enhancing security by alerting users to forced entry attempts or incorrect password usage. Installation is straightforward and requires only a screwdriver, while its durable construction is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. Powered by 4 batteries, the lock has a long-lasting battery life of over 6 months, with a Type-C backup port available for emergencies. KD30 Smart provides a 1-year product warranty and 30-day satisfaction assurance, backed by expert support for a worry-free smart home experience.